Tonight, I want you to imagine closing your eyes knowing that your body is finally working for you again. That constant fatigue, those nightly trips to the bathroom, and that uneasy feeling that something is slipping away. None of that has to be permanent. I'm Dr. Mei Anderson, and for more than 20 years, I've guided men through simple, natural methods to restore their prostate health, improve their sleep, and renew their energy. The truth is, your body is designed to repair itself beautifully each night. But sometimes it needs a small, precise adjustment to unlock that ability. One overlooked nutrient, zinc, can quietly transform how you sleep, how you feel in the morning, and how confidently you move through your day. It isn't about chasing new gadgets or filling a shelf with pills. It's about giving your body what it already recognizes and needs to function at its best. When zinc levels fall too low, your sleep becomes restless, your prostate loses its natural protection, and your hormone rhythm begins to falter. But when that balance is restored, the effect can feel almost magical, yet it's entirely biological. Your body doing what it was meant to do all along. In my practice, I've seen men who eat well, stay active, and take their medications faithfully, yet they still wake up exhausted. The problem usually isn't their willpower. It's that their deep sleep has been hijacked. Deep sleep is when your brain sends powerful repair signals to your body, including the crucial message to your testicles to produce testosterone. When your sleep is interrupted again and again by bladder urgency, that signal weakens, hormone levels drop, and your body can't fully restore itself. The result is the same cycle I see daily. Low energy leading to poor sleep, which leads to even lower energy. Zinc breaks that cycle in 3 remarkable ways. It helps your brain produce calming neurotransmitters like GABA, easing you into deeper, more restorative rest. It supports healthy testosterone production, while preventing excess conversion into estrogen. And it directly protects your prostate tissue by reducing inflammation, and maintaining its natural zinc-rich barrier. Men often tell me that, within 2 weeks of adding the right form of zinc at night, they notice their sleep deepens, bathroom trips lessen, and they wake with a strength and steadiness they haven't felt in years. Choosing the right kind of zinc is where most people stumble, and it makes all the difference. Common forms like zinc oxide look fine on the label, but are poorly absorbed, often causing stomach upset and disappointment. The forms that truly work, such as zinc picolinate, zinc glycinate, or zinc monomethionine, are gentle, highly bioavailable, and easy for your body to use. I encourage patients to begin with 15 to 20 milligrams each night about an hour before bed, taken with a small snack like a few almonds or a slice of cheese. After a week, increasing to 30 milligrams is ideal for most men. This timing allows zinc's calming effect to align with your body's natural wind-down process, promoting deeper rest. Avoid taking it with calcium or large amounts of dairy, as they compete for absorption. Consistency is the key. When you take zinc every night at roughly the same time, your internal clock strengthens, your hormonal rhythm stabilizes, and the benefits compound quietly over the following weeks. By the 3rd week, most men tell me their nights are peaceful, their mornings sharper, and their sense of vigor renewed. For added benefit, pair your nightly zinc with magnesium, another relaxation mineral that enhances sleep depth, and take vitamin D3 in the morning to keep your daytime energy balanced. Together, this creates a 24-hour rhythm of renewal. This simple nightly ritual is about more than numbers or lab results. It's about reclaiming the quiet confidence of feeling like yourself again. Zinc supports not just your prostate, but your circulation, your mood, and even your heart health by relaxing your blood vessels and easing internal tension. Over time, men often notice fewer leg cramps, steadier energy, and a calmer, more focused mind. It's the body's way of saying, thank you, for finally receiving what it needs. Just remember, more isn't better. Stay at, or below 40 milligrams daily unless your doctor advises otherwise. If you use medications or manage chronic conditions, check with your clinician before starting. Your care team can help ensure the plan fits your unique needs. The beauty of this approach is its simplicity: 1 capsule, 1 small snack, 1 quiet promise to your body each night. As your system replenishes, you'll feel it, not as a jolt, but as a steady return of balance, strength, and calm. So tonight begin. Let your body rest deeply, heal naturally, and wake with the energy that reminds you who you truly are. If you're ready to start, type yes in the comments, subscribe, and share this message with someone who needs it. Because sometimes, one small mineral really can change everything.